Next use case will be the video capture. Okay, now let's run the application at this stage. Click on capture video. The recording has been started successfully. If you see the log cat. For the video capture use case, this is the updated API. So this will be the video capture. Here we now have to call the video capture with output. So for the video capture, we have to get the captured video with the output. So with output method is requiring a recorder. So in this new API, the recorder API is now added in the CameraX. So this will be the recorder. It will be from the recorder builder. And then we have to set the quality. So for the quality selector from, we have to get the highest quality or your preferred one, and now build the recorder. And the last thing is pass the recorder to this one and create a new field in the main activity of the video capture with the recorder. Now just add the video capture and the use cases along with the image capture. Let's add a method for the capture video button. So this will be the capture video. Set on click listener and new click listener, and this will be the capture video. Add a new method in the main activity. So first of all, let's check if the video capture use case is initialized as return empty. So first of all, before starting the new recording session, we have to stop the current recording. How we can check the current recording? Simply we can use this recorder. So let's create a field instead of a local variable in the main activity. So now let's create a name for the video, same as we did for the image capture. First of all, we have to add a content values. So let's just copy this and paste it here. Same as this one, and replace the MIME type with the video/mp4. And then we have a movies folder and CameraX table, same. And let's just add a video in the last one. Now we have to create a media store options. Let's add a builder, and we have to get the current content resolver, and then we need to pass the media store .video.media and external content URI, and then we have to call the build. Now we have to start the recording. To start the recording, we have to get it from the video capture use case. So video capture use case get output, and then we have to prepare the recording. So in this one, the first thing is to pass the context, and then we have to pass the media store options. So this will be pending recording. So let's start the recording. Start. Then we have to pass the executor listener, context compact .get main executor. Then we have a listener. After starting the recording, it will give us different events. The first one is the video record start event. So let's check if it is the start one. From the video event instance of video event.start. After the video is started, this event will be fired. Let's update the text of the capture video button. We have to make it top capture. let's disable the button also. Else we have to check if the video record event is instance of video record dot finalize. Here we will get the final video after the video is stopped. Here let's check if the video record event has error or not. If it has a error, we need to stop the recording. Let's create an instance variable of this pending recording also. Field in the main activity and rename it to recording. So in this one, first we have to check if the current recording has an error or not from this record event. And if there is an error, we have to stop the current recording, or else we have to save the recording and show the message to the user. In order to get the recording instance, the pending recording start will give us the recording instance, like if you see here. So this will be giving us the recording. Make a instance variable of the recording also. First we have to check if the video record event has an error or not. If the recording is not null, then we have to stop the recording and make the recording to null, and then just return from here also. And if the recording is successful, we have to show the toast to the user. Okay, so the last thing left here is when user clicks on the stop capture, it should stop the recording. In order to utilize the stop capture, we can use this stop capture text from the capture video button. So here, if the text is equal to stop capture, then we have to stop the recording, else we have to start the recording. Now we have to stop the recording. So it will be available in the, we can use the recording variable. First of all, let's check if it is null. Then we have to return from here, else we have to stop the recording. Recording dot stop, make it null also. When this recording is stopped, this finalized event will be fired. Okay, now let's run the application at this stage. Click on capture video. The recording has been started successfully. If you see the logcat, click on the stop capture. The toast is shown to the user. After the recording is stopped, the last thing left is we need to update the text of the capture video also. Make it as capture video, like so. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time.